Welcome back, I'm Silverpunk. This isn't going to be your average silver pour. What you're about to watch is a journey of molten metal, ancient techniques, modern design, and the raw truth behind why hand-poured silver art commands such a premium. If you ever looked at a price tag and thought, is it really worth it? Well, this video's for you. Because today I'm going to show you what exactly goes into a large art piece like this and why collectors all over the world are choosing passion and permanence over the mass-produced stuff. So it all starts with basically silver grain, silver granules, but the metal is only part of the story. You're not just going to be buying a silver, you're buying a vision. Pretty much everything I make, it begins as an idea. Sometimes, I don't know, it comes from art, history, mythology, conversation with friends, people in Stacker Social, other collectors. Sometimes I will do like almost like a little bit of a drawing, a sketch. I don't show them very often because the people who have seen them before, my sketches are horrendous. But I do that sometimes. But and other times I'll just come up with a concept and I'll type it into AI and we'll do some image generation there and I'll refine it until it feels right. And what I like about it, it's this kind of the blend of the modern digital era and the design and the traditional craft. And I think that's what gives my stuff its edge. It's the past and future colliding all together. And then you have like the transformation. I take what's on the screen and then I've got to make that into a 3D model. I sometimes spend hours, if not a couple of days, on refining it, getting it printed out. The details and the depth really matter because once you've got the print, basically it's a physical object that hasn't existed before, isn't it? And that's what gets pressed into the sand. So all the negative space is where all the molten silver will flow in. So it's got to be right. And the process, it's so unforgiving. One mistake, and when it comes to the sand casting and pouring side, and it's all the way back to the beginning, all that time's lost. It isn't stamping coins or bars out by the 100. This is one person, one pour, one chance. For me, that's what makes it really exciting. Now it's risky. It's kind of real. That's what it is. Hey folks, if you're into silver art that pushes the boundaries, then welcome to silverpunk.org. This is where I showcase and sell my one-of-a-kind silver pours. Each is hand-cast, hallmarked and made with real care. No machines, no shortcuts, just raw creativity and fire. Whether you're stacking treasure, collecting bold artwork, or looking for that centerpiece that no one else has, this is the place. So if you've ever thought, I want something different, something rare, something beautiful, and built to last, go take a look. And remember, most of these are just one-offs. So once they've gone, they've gone. Now, back to the video. When people say hand-poured silver, this is the moment they're talking about. The fire, the heat, the tension in the air as the silver reaches the right temperature. Every pour has its own character. Some flows out really clean. Others will kind of spit and jump about a bit. You'll see the odd little ball of silver just coming out the end of the crucible. The way it lands in the mould, the lines, the texture. It's just never the same twice. It's not like when you pull a stamp handle. You can replicate it. But with this, it's just everyone's totally different. It's not a factory finish. It's raw, personal, physical. You're basically watching art being born. It's not just produced. And every collector who owns one of these pieces owns a moment like this. It's frozen in the explosion of heat and intent. So, let's talk about price. A lot of the time, people are a bit polite to ask sometimes. Why does a silverpunk piece cost a hell of a lot more than a generic bar and the ounce weight and the price per ounce? Well, it's quite simple and there's a real honest answer. You're not buying 2, 5, 10 ounces of silver. You do get silver, but it's the hours of design, the 3D print creation, sand moulding and casting, the finish and patina, the hallmarking, a lifetime connection to me, the artist. And at the end of the day, the price is the price. I've just given a list. I've just listed through what it takes to make it. I'm not justifying the price because, as I say, the price is the price. But that's the I want to show you, I want to be transparent and show you the whole process, how it's made. I think if you're going to buy one of these pieces, it's something a bit special. It's not something you're going to do every day or every week, is it? Or every month, or sometimes even every year. It's a special one of a time purchase. As it would be for me if I'm buying a piece of art that's, you know, £600, £700, £800, maybe £1,000. I can't afford to do that every month or every 6 months. It's like once a year, real treat. So I totally get where people come from. You're paying for the craftsmanship, the creativity, and the collectability, of course. It's kind of like asking why a painting costs more than just the canvas and the paint, because what you're buying is the soul. But don't just take my word for it. Let's talk about what some of the real collectors say and what some of the people who's bought my bits have said about it. I've had some video reviews and some really cool reviews over on Stacker Social. Let's just have a quick look at those.
And let's open this. Oh, we have another layer of protection here to keep it in place. And look at that. That is incredible. Right, okay. So this is the Silverpunk's latest art pour. It's called the Punk Rebel. Absolutely stunning piece. I believe it weighs around about 12 ounces. Oh look, let me zoom back out. The COA is on the top there. And what do we have? Boom! The price obviously reflects that, because it's a highly crafted one-off piece, unique, and it's more of an art piece than anything else. Yeah, it has all that precious metal content and stuff like that, but this is to be seen more like an art piece. What? Look at that bad boy. The Punk Crusader in all its glory. Get a little zoom if we can. Look at that. You've got the skulls in each corner. Wow. Nicely protected. Look at this. Wow, this is incredible. This is incredible. Look, you see, got the two poker chips, the special edition one and the Silverpunk one. Look at this. This is absolutely incredible. So you can see that we've not only got a 4-panel piece set, but we've also got a GPS track around in the same box.
As you can see, you know, they're this is what makes me so happy. The chuff, you can see the expression in the faces, and you can hear it in the voice. They talk about the joy of owning the piece, the buzz when the new pieces arrive, the unboxing it, and that's what does it for me. It's like, you know, the thrill of knowing that someone gets so excited by just owning a piece that I've made. And like for some of the art lovers, I suppose it's more of the story, the edge, the conversation starting design, and supporting something real. That's what you're buying, not just silver. The story and the status of what one of my pours brings. So, is it an investment or is it just indulgent, a piece of Silverpunk art? Well, the truth is, hopefully it's a bit of both. Yes, it's, you know, 3 nines pure silver and it's all hallmarked up. It's got its melt value. It's a hard asset. But I'd like to think more than that. It's a collectible. And collectibles, like art, hopefully should rise in value. Not because of metal markets, because of the meaning and because I made it. If I stop pouring tomorrow, the pieces already out there, well, they become more scarce. I mean, in fact, some of my earlier works have already sold for a lot more in private deals, I've been told, and I've seen it firsthand over on eBay and private sales. But whether the price goes up or not, you've always got something real, something that you've got made by hand, something you can hold. Now try doing that with an NFT or stocks or Bitcoin. You can't, can you? But what you're really buying. So here's the truth behind every Silverpunk piece. You're buying a moment in time. You're buying a spark of rebellion. Art that wasn't made to fit in a safe or sit in a drawer. You're buying a story you can show, share and pass down. And yeah, you're buying ounces of pure silver. and that'll last generations. But more than anything, you're buying meaning. And in a world full of mass production and throwaway stuff, I think that really matters. So if any of this resonated with you, if you feel the same buzz or thrill I do when I pour these pieces, you're already one of us. So as I said a bit earlier, check out my work at silverpunk.org, or come out and hang out with me on Stacker Social. I'm always in there, link in the description below. And that's where, silver becomes more than a metal. It's a real cool community. Thanks for watching. I'm Silverpunk, and I'll see you in the fire.